Good morning, children. So we
Good
were
morning.
doing chapter 2, microorganisms, and we were doing the topic useful microorganisms or uses of microorganisms, right? In that, the last use is left, that is the medicinal use. That is how the microorganisms are used in medicine field, right? So in that we are going to see 2 points. First is preparation of antibiotics. Second is vaccines, right? So firstly, we'll start with antibiotics. So antibiotics, they are formed using some bacteria, using some microorganisms. So microorganisms, bacteria, they are used in making antibiotics. Right, children? So what are antibiotics? So they are the chemical substance which are produced by some bacteria and fungi which can fight against the disease causing microorganism. Means अगर आपकी बॉडी में एक पैथोजन, एक जर्म एंटर हो गया है, एक माइक्रोब एंटर हो गया है which can cause disease, then we require antibodies. So antibodies, they are the chemical substance which are produced, which are formed using the bacteria and fungi, right? They are produced by these microorganisms, bacteria and fungi. These antibiotics, they are used to kill the disease causing microorganisms, right? उनको kill करने के लिए हमारा weapon is your antibiotics, and this weapon has been prepared with the help of bacteria and fungi. So antibiotics, they can kill the disease causing microorganism, right? So this is your antibiotics. So the fungus, like the fungus, the example is penicillium. Example is penicillium. Fungus, example penicillium. So using the fungus, which is a microorganism, that is penicillium, a vaccine has been, antibiotic has been prepared, and that is known as a medicine has been prepared, and that is known as penicillin. That is known as penicillin. So we have heard the word penicillin. तो penicillin बेटा वो एक medicine है, ठीक है? That is an antibiotics which have been prepared by the fungus penicillium. Right? This was the first discovered. This was the first produced, and it was produced by Alexander Fleming. It was produced by Alexander Fleming. So take out your science books, page number 28. Page number 28. Right? On page number 28, you can see on the left side, key facts. So in key facts, they have given that underline and MCQ can be framed from this part. That is the fungus penicillium. This is the name of the fungus. That is penicillium has been used, or from this fungus, the medicine that is penicillin was obtained by Alexander Fleming. Right, children? So like penicillium, we are having one more microorganism, and the name of the microorganism, there are many. I'll just give you one more. One is given in your book. I'm giving you one more additional, and that is streptomyces. That is streptomyces. That is your the microorganism Streptomyces, the medicine has been prepared. The name of that medicine is streptomycin, right? Streptomycin is the name of the medicine, and from this many other medicines have also been prepared. One is tetracycline, right? So from this many have been prepared. I'll write the name, and that is streptomycin. MyCin, right? And the other one is tetracycline. And these medicines, penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline, they are used in the treatment against the diseases, right? So these are your antibiotics. So you can see that bacteria and fungi, these microorganisms are used in the preparation of antibiotics, right? Antibiotics are the chemical substance which kill the disease-causing microorganism. They are a weapon, right, to kill the disease. So from the fungus Penicillium, the medicine penicillin was prepared by Alexander, right? That was the first prepared, right? First antibiotic that was prepared. Then we are having other microbes also, microorganisms also, from which the other antibiotics have been prepared. One more example I'll give you, that is Streptomyces. From Streptomyces, the medicine, the antibiotic that is prepared is streptomycin as well as tetracycline. These are used against the diseases to kill the disease-causing microorganism. So they are a weapon which we are preparing using microorganism. So using microorganism. Right children? So this is about your antibiotics. So please underline page number 28, the key facts. Penicillin was obtained from fungus Penicillium by Alexander Fleming. Next point, Edward Jenner discovered the vaccine for smallpox. Please underline this MCQ, right? Then you can underline the definition of antibiotics. They are the chemical substance produced by microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria which kills or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganism. Right? Fine. This is it. Now let's go to the next topic. And the next topic is about vaccines. And the next topic is about vaccines. Now these days the word vaccine is very common, right? We are dealing with COVID, and because of that the word commonly used, frequently used, vaccine, immunity, right? Immunity, okay. Immunity क्या होता है बेटा? Immunity is the ability of our body, it is the power of our body to fight against the microorganisms which can cause disease. तो उसको fight करने के लिए जो हमारी body की ability, हमारी body में जो power है, that power, that ability is your immunity. Is your immunity. So immunity or immune is the ability of the body. हमारी body की ability है ये. Which ability? To fight या to resist the disease-causing microorganism. Disease-causing microorganism को fight करने वाली ability is immunity. Right. Now, you remember when you were small, right? You have undergone a course of vaccination. आपको vaccinations याद होंगे, छोटे बच्चों को लगते हैं, आपको भी लगे होंगे, right? So let me explain you that. What is that? Vaccine. Vaccine होता क्या है? तो बेटा vaccine में करते क्या है? I'll just tell you that. In a healthy body, the small children, they are healthy, right? उनको जो सारी vaccine लगती है, उनको कोई disease थोड़ी होती है, right? They are not having any disease. They are healthy. But then also we go for the vaccination course. So what is done in that vaccination? क्या होता है वो? Let's see. So inside the healthy body, the doctors insert the disease-causing microorganism after making them dead or weak. After making them dead or weak. So, इतने सारे बेटा diseases हैं, smallpox, chickenpox, many diseases are there, right? Cholera, right? Polio, chickenpox, tuberculosis, hepatitis. So, we are given the vaccines of this, right? So, in vaccine, what is given? The doctor, it injects in our body either dead or a weak microbe या pathogen. माइक्रोब क्या होता है? डिजीज कॉजिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. वो जो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो डिजीज कर सकता है, जो हमें स्मॉल पॉक्स ला सकता है, जो हमें चिकन पॉक्स ला सकता है, जिसकी वजह से हमें कॉलेरा हो सकता है, उस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को वो लेते हैं. दे मेक दैट माइक्रोब आइदर डेड or weak, right? They make it dead or weak, and then this is what is this? This is a vaccine. Yeah, a vaccine. Okay, beta, this is your vaccine. So this they are inserting in the healthy body. So this is inserted in healthy body. This is inserted in a healthy body. Now what will happen? Our body has fighters inside. We are having soldiers. Who are they? They are your antibodies, right? They are the soldiers. Okay? हमारी body में भी मतलब if you are having a very good fighter system, fight back system, right? So they are antibodies. So what happens? Our body, it produces antibody fighters against this dead and weak microbe, the dead and weak disease causing microorganism. उसको नहीं पता है कि वो dead है या वो weak है, उसको नहीं पता. उसको body comes to know, oh, one microbe has entered and this is going to harm the body. So what it will do? The body will produce antibodies. Antibodies are what? Antibodies are the fighters of our body. They are the soldiers inside our body. They will fight against this disease-causing microorganism. So antibodies are produced. So this antibodies will successfully kill the microbes. They will kill it and we are happy. They are happy. They have won. Right? Our body has won. So once this antibodies produced in the body, they last forever in the body. So once for a particular disease an antibody has been produced in our body, it will remain there throughout. वो वहीं पे रहेंगे. And if in future the same type of microorganisms attacks our body again, वापस अटैक किया हमारे बॉडी को, then the body will remember the antibody which had fought, जिसने उस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से फाइटिंग की थी और वो जीत गया था. तो बॉडी रिमेम्बर्स दैट. तो बॉडी रिमेम्बर करेगा, ओके, दिस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, this antibody has fought with that and the antibody had won. So the body will again send the same antibodies to kill the microbes, right? So it might happen that next time when the microbes are coming, this is in vaccine we are giving dead and weak. Vaccine में हम dead और weak देते हैं microbes, but actually if some disease is coming to you, they might not be dead and weak, they will be healthy ones. तो जैसे ही हेल्दी डिजीज कॉजिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स ने आपकी बॉडी पे अटैक किया, then body will remember and it will send the same antibodies which were produced और वो वहीं पे थे, बॉडी में ही रहेंगे वो throughout the body, throughout the span, right? और वो उनको वापस भेज देंगे, okay, now go and kill. So our antibody will kill even the healthy and the strong microbes also. So like this, through vaccination in our body, immunity is increased. हमारी body में डिफरेंट डिजीजेस के डेड और वीक माइक्रोब एंटर करते हैं जब हम वैक्सीनेशन के लिए जाते हैं तब, और उसके अगेंस्ट में बॉडी, our body produces antibodies. They are the fighters, the soldiers. They go and kill the microbes. So next time अगर कभी किसी same type of microbe ने attack किया तो हमारे soldiers are ready inside our body. They will kill them and we will be not caught by the disease. हमें वो particular disease नहीं होगी. So this is your vaccination, right child? So in vaccination this happens. Clear? Now let's go to one more part, and that is when the dead and weak microbes or when any disease causing microorganism it enters our body, तो body के अंदर होगा क्या? What mechanism will go on in the body? So let's see that. And this is, oh yeah, this is over here. Okay. Okay, you can see this. This is the chief soldier, right? This is, you can say, the commander, right? The main commander of our body. WBC, white blood cells, right? White blood cells. So white blood cells are the fighters. They are the commanders. They will produce the antibodies. वो soldiers को भेज देंगे, go and attack the microorganism. So two ways are possible, right? Let's see the first way. First way is the WBC, and this is your microbe. ये वाला वो microbe है which is going to cause you disease. Yes. Right? This is that microbe. So first just see this part. I will cover the other part. And it is given in your science book, page number 28, figure 2.11. Right? So let me cover this part first. So this is it. This is WBC, the commander, and this is in the spherical one is your microbe. That is the microorganism which is going to cause disease, right? So what happens is WBC, it comes near the microbe and slowly, and it approaches the microbe and slowly and steadily it engulfs or it tries to surround the microbe. वो microbe को पूरा surround कर लेता है. देखो यहाँ पे ये microbe आ गया and the WBC is expanding. उसने अपने अंदर लेने के, it is trying to engulf, it is trying to surround, and finally if you see what happens, the microbe has been engulfed. Engulfed मतलब निगल लेना, right? To take in. So the spherical microbe has been taken in by the WBC, and now the WBC is going to destroy it, is going to eat it, and is going to finish the microbe, right? So that is WBC is slowly coming, approaching the microorganism which is going to cause you disease, right? Microbe, and it is surrounded. It has surrounded the microbe, and finally it takes the microbe inside the body, inside the WBC, and it eats it and finishes it, right? One is this, that if the microbe enters our body, then this can happen. Second thing, what can happen is the same WBC, okay, the commander, it will produce antibodies. Here you can see, and in your science book, page 28, figure 2.12. Very beautiful, colorful picture is given to you. Even you can have a look at that. I'll try to explain from that. Okay. So, if this is visible, let me show you. Okay. So, this is your WBC. So the WBC has produced, here you can see the Y-like structure, black Y. that are antibodies. So WBC has produced antibodies. The soldiers WBC ने भेज दिए. Go, my soldiers, and attack the microbe. Here is your microbe, right? And then what does the antibodies do? It surrounds the microbe. उन्होंने microbe को surround कर लिया. And at last, after taking it in arrest, what does soldiers do? Arrest कर लिया, right? It has arrested the microbe. Microbe को arrest करने के बाद, it will bring it to the WBC. Boss, commander, we have brought the culprit. We have brought the microbe. So WBC, the antibodies, it will take the microbe inside the WBC. And once it reaches inside, the WBC is going to eat the microbe, it's going to destroy the microbe, and we will be prevented, we will be free from the disease. So this is your vaccination system, that how or what happens during the vaccines, right children?